Like the rest of the country, election fervor has gripped Jammu Kashmir as well, and especially if you talk of Kashmir Valley, like we have been discussing this time and again, the fact that election politics has remained away from Kashmir, and last 6-7 years have seen massive changes as far as the political landscape is concerned. People, politicians, and especially the workers were waiting for a big election development politics, and that's what is happening because of the Lok Sabha elections, and that is why the enthusiasm is more. While different leaders are in the campaign mode, we also have a person, a leader who till not so long ago was connected with separatist politics. He's the brother of Naeem Khan, a separatist leader who is in jail. His name is Munir Khan, and today he filed nomination papers for Baramulla constituency. Now, after filing the nomination, while speaking to Aaj Tak, he basically spoke something different. He spoke about the fact that not only him, but there were hundreds of people, in fact lakhs according to him, who through one way or the other were connected with separatist politics, be it the ideology, be it the support base. But today, since times have changed, their mentality has changed, their thought process has changed, and now they want to come back into the mainstream. So if they want to do it, they should be allowed to do it, and the government of India should remove all roadblocks, and he'll work for that if he's allowed. And if he wins and he goes to the Lok Sabha, he'll take their voice there, and he wants that these people who have realized that they may have been wrong, so they want to now restart their lives by getting back into mainstream. They should be allowed, their FIRs should be revoked, any legal action that is ongoing against them should be revoked. They should be allowed this opportunity to get back into the mainstream. So this is a unique idea. This is a unique thought process, and you have a person who is talking different. He's not talking about Article 370, he's not talking about development, but he's talking about a large chunk of the population who still have FIRs and still have legal action being taken against them, and they should be given a chance, a second chance to get back into the mainstream and live normal lives. With camera person Tariq Lone, Meet Fareed, Srinagar, India Today.